Hi, this is Kevin Cook, the heavy equipment guy here at Star Tractor. Got a Kubota SVL97-2 for sale. Brand new tracks here at Star Tractor. Comes with a bucket, either a cutting edge or tooth bucket, your choice. As you can see, new tracks on there, new rubber tracks. The hour meter says 1969.7. Give us a call at 817-733-3799. Thank you, and God bless.